Back the 6th of May, we're taking a look at Aerodrome Finance this evening. Ticker symbol AERO USD. This will be the US dollar Aerodrome Finance pair. This will be the Coinbase price data. This will be a daily chart, TA, we're going to look at here. I want to show you something over on the S&P 500, which you'll see towards the end of this video how it relates to what's potentially taking place here in Aerodrome. Guys, welcome to the channel. Let's jump right into it this evening here. We have another red day for Aerodrome, which was today, Monday, the 6th of May. Looks like they closed it down 660. We have a little bit of a higher price at the moment. We have a higher daily low so far. All that means is we did not take out yesterday's low yet. Very early in the trading, we'll see what happens. What I want to talk about here is the potential higher low being printed and how that looks and what that can lead to potentially pretty quickly here in the future if it plays out. Keywords are if it plays out, guys. So let's jump right into this. I also want to show you here, if we take the fibs and we take the swing high from the 12th of April, which was a Friday, roughly right up there, 238. We're going to take the swing low, which was a Tuesday on the 30th of April. It's just about right there at about the 84-cent mark. So you could see here that this most recent pullback found support at the 236, the 0.236 fib level, which is like $1.06, $1.07. This white line right here. Just interesting, take it for what it's worth. I don't personally use fibs. I think there's a time and place for them. They are very powerful. I just have found other ways to navigate the markets. But, a major swing high, a major swing low using the fibs off those two levels. And when you see markets start to have a reaction at one of those levels, it's probably worth paying some attention to. So anyways, that is today's support, the 236 $0.069. So we'll see if that is the higher low. Let's go ahead and remove the fibs. What I want to talk about here is the potential for the higher low and what could be to follow. So we have the straight sell-off down to 85.20 support. That was these two levels here, 85.20 as well as 84.494. We have a move up perfectly right into my resistance level at $1.28. Now we're getting this pullback. So I talked about, I think it was the last video, if these markets can stop somewhere, it's a big range between 85.20, and then the resistance level. So somewhere within here, we could potentially be printing a higher low. Why is that so important is the higher low, if you can catch that or at least take notice of that, what is to follow can be a very, very strong rally to the upside. Very, very strong. We're going to look at the SPX in just a moment, and I want to show you, I'm pretty sure that this same scenario has just played out the past couple of days. So this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not telling you what to do, but if you're looking to get into a position and you can spot when the higher low is or start to nibble. So let's say you want to take 100% of a position. Maybe you start to nibble when you start to see the potential. The potential is the keyword because it could still fall from here, right? But if you start to see, for example, it would be today's candle, start to move up into the green, maybe you take a quarter of your position and you take another quarter of the position somewhere else, and then you take the full position when the markets make a higher high. Just for example, take that for what it's worth. Please make your own decisions. But the key is this rally here. So the whole saying goes that, or the whole idea behind this is traders, investors get bearish again because they think these markets are going to drop back to the lows. The markets actually stop, for this example, was at a fib level, and they start to rally, and this rally actually triggers the shorts that just got short to cover And then you have new buyers coming in because it's going to make a higher high, and then it fuels this massive leg to the upside. So what we want to see is we want to see the lows from today. We want to see them hold. Those lows are $1.069. We want to see a higher high. We basically want to get above 128. We want to see the markets do something like this, 128. You know, we should find ourselves pretty quick up there at $1.5680. We want to break this level right here. Let me draw this on the chart so you guys have an idea. This is our higher high right here. I'll put it in yellow even though it's already in white. The 128. That'll give us we have the low, we have a lower high, we have a higher low, and then a higher high. And that could fuel a very strong rally to the upside. So we'll see. There's no guarantees it'll happen, but I think there's some pretty strong potential here. We want to watch today's lows, which are the 6th of May. We want to see 128 broken to the upside and hold. And I think we'll quickly find Aerodrome Finance, Aero, up here at $1.56 pretty quick if this plays out. Okay, those are the key words. If it plays out, that is a 43, we'll call it, % move higher than where we are roughly trading at right now, which is $1.11. $1.11. So, hope you guys are enjoying these Aerodrome videos. If you are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. All comments are welcome. Overall, people have great ideas to share. I appreciate that. It's nice to read everybody's opinion, you know, on one side or the other projects that we could cover here on the channel. Appreciate it. Not much interest in the Pepe video released today. Kind of surprised. Pepe has been going on a pretty nice run, but hey, you know, it is what it is. Let's take a look at the SPX real quick. So don't forget, go ahead and subscribe and let me know your thoughts on Aerodrome. It could be in for a 43 or so % rally here once you know, it breaks into a new recent high here. So the SPX, guys, here it is. It's a perfect example. It's exactly what I'm talking about. And you can see the power in it right here. We had the major sell-off. We had the rally up to a lower high. Right here, the higher low, boom, triggers a massive, massive gap to the upside after printing the higher low. And then we have a big, big run here with a breakaway gap to the upside. And today was another 52, almost $53 day for the SPX. That's a 1.03% move. These markets are looking quite bullish again. We sold off, put in the lower high, put in the higher low. Boom. These markets are looking like they're going to be making a new all-time high very soon. We'll see. A thing of concern for the SPX, guys, is the gap below the market. You know, we'll see. It doesn't mean it'll get closed, but it is a gap below the market. Remember, we had a gap back in here between the 21st and 2nd of February. Markets went on to rally before double topping and then rolling over. So this gap, although probably get filled, doesn't mean it has to happen right now. If you're more interested in, if you have any more interest in the SPX or the SPY, the NASDAQ, stuff like that, let me know. I can cover those videos as well. Overall, this channel has been mainly focused on cryptocurrencies, but, you know, I trade a lot of different products, including the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500, as well as the Russell 2000 futures and the ETFs. So anyways, guys, that's the perfect example of the higher low fuels a massive, massive rally to the upside once that higher low is in place. And then we made a new high right here. We'll show you that for right there. Boom. Higher high. It's a beautiful thing. The markets are a beautiful thing once you know how to navigate them. You know, there's a million different strategies out there. Find what works for you. You know, that's pretty much the key. And sometimes buy and hold long-term in whatever project, whether it's cryptocurrency or a stock index, can be the, you know, it fits your personality, fits your lifestyle, whatever the case may be. I do a little bit of both. short-term trading, longer-term position holding, cryptocurrencies, futures, etc. Sometimes some options, not as much as I used to, but you know, they are there as well. So Aerodrome is trading at, right now we're at $1.10. We're still sitting good. So guys, thanks for watching. You have a great evening. We'll catch you in the next one. Good luck out there.